Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You know who I am. I'm History Beck, and this is my universal chess. Get ready. Chess workout today. So you know how we're gonna get this chess workout started? We start like that. Down up pump. It works. I'm telling you, it works. Then in the middle of the workout, we're gonna hit up this universal intro, and then we're gonna bring in the closer. Torn. Green apple. You get it? Torrance the finisher. Intray is the bullpen reliever. Ammo pump is the lights out pitcher. Y'all better get ready. Y'all see this animal? Look at this animal. I'm an animal. I'm a beast. Yeah, I got first order shirt on, but that means I'm still a beast. I'm a beast in this. Y'all ain't ready for universal nutrition animal. They are doing big things, and y'all need to watch this all, because some of y'all been waiting on these videos, and ain't gonna win these videos, so y'all better come in here, watch my videos, have some fun, comment on my logs, get ready for the views coming up. It's History Beck, letting y'all know I'm still #1 in this video game. I'm gonna make some shout outs to Pac-Man, make some shout outs to Benjamin, make some shout outs to Freeway Fredo, make some shout outs to Dono, Big New York, make some shout outs to everybody that's doing my log, because y'all are the people that's keeping my log entertaining, informative, and I love criticism, so keep it that way. This has been a History Effect. Yeah, I got GA in Georgia in the background, but I don't like Georgia. You know, I'm from Georgia. About Gators, and y'all told them Gators did LSU slaughter. And you know what I'm gonna do with this stack right here? You know what I'm gonna do with this stack right here? Slaughter, slay, History Effect, get it done.